Good morning. As the sun rises over California, thousands of people begin their daily routines, heading out onto the roads that connect our communities and our lives. Today, we're talking about something that touches all of our lives: road safety. Whether you're a driver, a cyclist, or a pedestrian, the choices we make on the road affect not just ourselves, but everyone around us. Every day, millions of us get behind the wheel, often forgetting the immense responsibility that comes with it. It's easy to take for granted the simple act of driving, but each trip is a moment where safety must be our top priority. We trust our journeys will be safe, but as we saw recently in Sacramento, the unexpected can happen in an instant. A single moment of distraction or a split-second decision can change everything. A routine drive can turn into a life-altering event without warning. The aftermath of an accident ripples through families, friends, and entire communities, leaving lasting impacts that go far beyond the scene itself. These moments remind us that road safety requires constant attention and commitment. It's not just about following the rules, but about being present, alert, and considerate of others at all times. Behind every accident are real people and families whose lives are changed forever. The pain and uncertainty they experience serve as a powerful reminder of what's truly at stake every time we travel. Understanding this human element is the first step toward a more compassionate and vigilant driving culture. When we remember that every car holds someone's loved one, it becomes easier to drive with empathy and patience. As we discuss a recent event, let's do so with empathy and a renewed sense of purpose. Let's honor those affected by committing ourselves to safer habits and encouraging others to do the same. Our goal is to turn a difficult story into a constructive conversation, one that encourages us all to be more mindful and dedicated to making our roads safer. By sharing experiences and learning from them, we can create positive change. It's a journey we must all take together. Each of us has a role to play in building a safer, more caring community on the roads we share. On Friday, January 2nd, 2026, the city of Sacramento was alive with its usual rhythm. People were heading home from work, students were making their way back from school, and the streets were filled with the familiar hum of daily life. The sun cast a golden glow over the city, painting long shadows across the pavement. But at exactly 3:34 p.m., that sense of normalcy was shattered in an instant. What began as an ordinary afternoon quickly turned into a scene of chaos and concern. At the intersection of Franklin Boulevard and Cosumnes River Boulevard, two vehicles collided with tremendous force, right in the heart of the community. The sound of screeching tires and crunching metal echoed through the neighborhood, drawing the attention of everyone nearby. The impact was devastating, instantly altering the lives of those involved and sending shockwaves through the area. In a matter of seconds, a routine drive had become a life-altering event. Twisted metal and shattered glass littered the intersection, replacing the steady flow of traffic with a scene of destruction. Debris was scattered across the roadway, a stark reminder of how quickly things can change. 2 people were injured in the crash, both requiring immediate medical attention. Paramedics rushed to their aid, working quickly and efficiently to stabilize the wounded and provide comfort in the midst of chaos. One individual, however, was trapped inside their vehicle, unable to escape the wreckage on their own. The crumpled metal had pinned them in place, making every second critical. The terror and helplessness of being trapped after a violent crash is unimaginable for most of us. In those moments, fear and uncertainty can be overwhelming, but soon the wail of sirens pierced the air, signaling the arrival of help. For those at the scene, the sound became a beacon of hope, a sign that skilled hands were on their way. Firefighters and paramedics worked side by side, using specialized equipment and training to free the trapped individual. Their expertise and bravery were the only way out for the person caught in the wreck. This incident highlights the critical importance of our first responders. In moments of crisis, they are the ones who step forward, risking their own safety to save others. Their specialized skills and calm under pressure can turn moments of despair into rescue and relief, offering hope when it's needed most. This event serves as a powerful reminder that emergencies can happen anywhere, at any time, often when we least expect them. It's a call to remain vigilant and to appreciate the unpredictability of life on the road. We owe a debt of gratitude to those who answer the call, putting themselves on the line to protect and serve our community day after day. In the moments after the crash, Sacramento's emergency services sprang into action. Firefighters, paramedics, and police arrived quickly, securing the area and aiding the injured. The most urgent task, rescuing the person trapped in the wreckage. Firefighters used the jaws of life to carefully extricate the individual. Paramedics stabilized both patients, preparing them for hospital transport. This seamless teamwork is what saves lives in critical moments. The California Highway Patrol managed the scene and began investigating the cause. Their work isn't just about blame, it's about learning and prevention. Every detail they uncover helps make our roads safer. First responders are the backbone of our community's safety. The Sacramento accident is part of a much larger and ongoing story about road safety in California. Every day, millions of people travel across the state's vast network of highways, city streets, and rural roads. While most journeys end safely, the risk of accidents is ever present, affecting drivers, passengers, cyclists, and pedestrians alike. The California Highway Patrol, or CHP, plays a crucial role in monitoring and responding to these incidents. They track every crash, big or small, through the statewide integrated traffic record system, collecting vital data that helps shape safety policies and prevention efforts. In 2024, there were nearly 300,000 reported crashes statewide, over 800 every single day. These numbers are staggering, and they highlight just how common collisions are on California's roads, from bustling freeways to quiet neighborhoods. Each collision, no matter how minor, disrupts lives. For some, it's a simple fender bender that causes inconvenience and frustration. For others, it can mean serious injury, long-term trauma, or even the loss of a loved one. More than 2,000 fatal crashes occurred in 2024 alone, leaving thousands of families grieving and communities searching for answers. Each tragedy is a stark reminder of the risks we face on the road. These aren't just numbers, they represent real people, real loss, and heartbreak that can last a lifetime. Behind every statistic is a story of pain, resilience, and the struggle to heal. The emotional toll is immeasurable, affecting not just victims, but their families, friends, and entire communities. It's a burden that underscores the urgent need for safer roads and more responsible driving. The data is a wake-up call. Danger is always a possibility, even on the most familiar routes we travel every day. No one is immune, and safety must always be top of mind. Road safety is not just a matter for law enforcement or government officials. It's a public health issue that demands our attention, our resources, and our collective action. We must all take responsibility for making our roads safer by driving attentively, following traffic laws, and looking out for one another, whether we're behind the wheel or on foot. Awareness and action can save lives. Together, we can make California's roads safer for everyone, one careful decision at a time. The California Highway Patrol works tirelessly to educate the public on safe driving. Their advice is simple but powerful. Maintain a safe following distance, especially in poor conditions. Adjust your speed to match traffic and weather, not just the posted limit. Avoid distractions. Put your phone away and focus on the road. Even a moment's distraction can have devastating consequences. Always wear your seatbelt and ensure your passengers do the same. These habits are the foundation of defensive driving. The CHP's message is clear. Small actions can prevent tragedy. Safe driving is everyone's responsibility. Let's commit to these habits every time we get behind the wheel. Together, we can make a difference. The CHP's advice gives us a clear path to safer driving. It's up to each of us to put these habits into practice, especially during routine commutes. Complacency is dangerous. Stay vigilant, even on familiar roads. Silence your phone, maintain safe distances, and scan the road ahead. Think proactively. You're not just driving, you're managing your safety. Foster a culture of patience and courtesy. Aggressive driving only increases risk. Encourage friends and family to prioritize safety. Speak up if you see distracted driving, even as a passenger. Talk openly with teen drivers about their responsibilities. By leading by example, we can transform our roads into safer, more respectful spaces. Every safe journey starts with a conscious choice. Let's make safety second nature. After an accident, confusion and stress can be overwhelming. Beyond medical care, you face insurance claims, bills, and repairs. This is when professional legal help becomes invaluable. A personal injury attorney can guide you through complex legal and insurance processes. Their job is to protect your rights and ensure fair compensation for your losses. They handle paperwork and negotiations, letting you focus on recovery. Strict deadlines apply to filing claims. Missing them can forfeit your rights. An attorney ensures every step is completed correctly and on time. Seeking legal counsel isn't about confrontation, it's about preparation and support. Having an advocate can make all the difference during a difficult time. After a car accident, it's crucial to know your rights. You have the right to seek compensation for damages caused by another's negligence. This includes medical bills, lost wages, and future earning capacity. Non-economic damages, like pain, suffering, and emotional distress, are also compensable. Protect your rights by calling the police, seeking medical attention, and documenting the scene. Take photos, exchange information, and be cautious when speaking to insurance adjusters. Don't settle or make statements before consulting an attorney. Understanding your rights is the first step toward a fair recovery. Empower yourself with knowledge and take action quickly. Your future may depend on it. The Sacramento crash reminds us that road safety is everyone's responsibility. Every choice behind the wheel matters. Slow down, put the phone away, and stay alert. Small acts of caution and courtesy can create safer roads for all. Support those affected by accidents, offer help, provide statements, and show compassion. Our goal is a future where tragedies like this are rare. Achieving this requires education, enforcement, and personal commitment. Let's honor those impacted by renewing our dedication to safe driving. Look out for one another, today and every day. Together we can make our roads safer. Let's drive with mindfulness and care. Stay safe, everyone.